Just take one in there and bolt one in, and then all you need to do is just slide that plate, people. No more opening everything. Just slide it over the shaft and bolt, the 4 bolt, and done. And it's a little bit even light in weight now because it cut off a whole bunch of metal out. So did your neighbor have a machine too, or he gonna get one? Oh, I got adapter for him too. So tell him I got it, please.
Okay.
Husqvarna, I got all of them. I got now 32 different brand and model now.
Just that easy.
You think?
Not even 5 minutes.
So glad we improved this. One of our customers advised us, and I look at it. Craftsman, the Aryan, Husqvarna, Poland Pro. You have to open it because the bolt it mounted to the spin shaft housing, big bolt. Just go to our open. I mean, if you have a Craftsman, you have to open. We need an electric screwdriver.
Got a whole bit bottom first.
Perfect. Move it, boss. Move it to see if it moves. It should move. Why not? Oh,
Beautiful.
how sweet!
Beautiful.
How sweet! Can you push it up so I can see the bottom, please? How sweet! Just lie in now. Take less than a few minutes. Thank you.